Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest causes of many illnesses and diseases. When pathogens like viruses, bacteria and other toxins enter your body, the body's defense system becomes active and gives response as inflammation. This temporary inflammation protects your body from harm. But excess or chronic inflammation causes all kinds of illnesses. So taming the chronic inflammation is very important to stay healthy. One of the natural remedies is ginger, which is popularly used for digestive problems and nausea. But ginger is good for inflammation too. Many active compounds in ginger, particularly gingerol, shogaol and paradol, are anti-inflammatory. Various studies have found that ginger inhibits the production of the pro-inflammatory cytokines. If cytokines production is reduced, then inflammation is tamed. Let's clearly understand this. We don't want to avoid inflammation when required. Inflammation is necessary as it protects our body. But we want to avoid chronic inflammation. And ginger helps fight inflammation very well. You can take ginger in many different ways. Fresh ginger root is the most potent form to get full benefits of all its active anti-inflammatory compounds. Just slice ginger root and chew its juice. If you haven't developed a taste for this spicy root, then you can add honey, which is also anti-inflammatory, to make the taste mild. Another way is to grate a small piece of ginger and squeeze a teaspoon of juice out. Add a teaspoon of honey and mix well to consume it slowly. But the most popular way to use it is to make ginger tea and enjoy the drink. Steep a few slices of an inch of ginger root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and add a teaspoon of honey and half teaspoon of lemon juice and mix well. Enjoy this delicious tea to fight inflammation. Ginger is also available in dry powder form, which also can be used in making ginger tea. You can also use dry ginger powder to make a thick paste with honey and eat to fight inflammation. Adding ginger to a pineapple smoothie also works well. Since ginger is a blood thinner, check with your doctor before consuming it if you are taking medicine for any chronic health conditions. Bottom line is, ginger is good to fight chronic inflammation. Consume it in the way that suits you the best. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.